Well, on this particular video, we got the Marlin Model 60 Woodstock version, gold trigger model, so I call it, because the retro ones had silver. And we're gonna be shooting through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges. Regular, as you can tell by my hand size, just regular size, standard oranges. So this is pretty much 22 long rifle, and the reason I do use hollow points for these tests is because if the hollow point, you know how hollow points always disperse as it passes through the target, right? So if the hollow point passes through everything, right, does good penetration, you know damn well that the solid tip 22s will pass through even further, deeper penetration. So what we have here, people, is a little plexiglass shield so my stuff don't get splattered, because I'm gonna give y'all some slow motion parts and all that cool fun stuff. The Winchester 333 hollow point, standard, just good old ammo. God damn it! All right. Goddamn plexiglass fell over. Here we go. I'm low to the ground, so I gotta shoot with one hand. So we one. So anyway, I'm gonna do some, by now you've probably done seen some slow motion shots. My gun. See, that's why I had to use that plexiglass, people. You don't realize. That would have made a freaking mess. A mess, my friend. Hold on a second, I gotta lay this thing down. That would have made a total mess, people. So as you've seen, I don't know what you really seen, because I ain't seen it yet. But I don't know. People, they went all over the place. I'm gonna have to watch it back in slow motion to really even tell you much about it. I might analyze it a little bit, because even this one right here, they ain't got no damage to it. It's still got a hole through it. That one don't have, yeah, it's got a crack, it's got a hole. See? That stuff went everywhere. I've also got orange juice all over me. I'm trying not to get it on the camera. So enjoy some of the slow motion shots of that. That's what this whole video is mainly for. And like I say, 5 oranges, 22 long rifle versus 5 regular size oranges. Why not, right? Like I say, I'll definitely see you on the next one. Hey Jose, go get me a water. That's what I'm paying you for.